If your dog is coughing, you should never use this stuff. Human cough syrup with Dextromethorphan. Studies have shown that it is not effective and it can have serious side effects. Vomiting, diarrhea, rapid heart rate, even seizures. This simple home remedy is a way better option. 3 ingredients. First, you need honey. It is antibacterial, antiviral, and it does a great job of soothing the throat. 1 teaspoon per 20 pounds of body weight. Next, lemon juice is a great antioxidant, great if we're dealing with the viral bacterial cause of the cough, and it also can cut through the congestion. Half a teaspoon of lemon juice per 20 pounds of body weight. Our third ingredient, it is warm water. We're using 1 tablespoon per 20 pounds of body weight. Mix it well to blend the honey, lemon juice, and water. Give this to your coughing dog 2 to 4 times a day. And if you like tips like these, I encourage you to get a copy of my free book. Links in the bio.